Alright, so I was just playing around with my sandbox on the Google document issue. So here's what I did. I went into assignments. I already created an assignment, but let me start from scratch and create another one. Give it a name. La test. Alright. And then here's where I would put my instructions to the students. Scroll down. Click here. Click here. Here's where I'm going to attach the file. Barb said she was doing Google Docs, or Google Slides. So I'm going to do a little slideshow. Because these are just slideshows that I have for class, but they're slides. Okay. If I wanted to put a rubric, I would put it here, and I'm going to hit create. And then I'm going to hit select. I'm going to hit load this tool in a new window. If you want to limit the number of attempts, you can. I wouldn't. All right, I'm going to make it available so that I can look at it as a student. And I'm going to save and publish. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back home. I'm going to go into student view. I'm going to click on the assignment. Now when I go to load it in a new window, if I want to see what the student sees, I need a student account. I can't use my teacher account. Okay. So instead of using that, instead of using this account, I'm going to switch and I'm going to use that Connect Math account that we all have access to and kind of trick Canvas into thinking I'm a student. All right, now here's what I'm going to do to edit the slides. So now I'm a student, right? I just clicked on it. I'm going to click here. It's going to open in a new window. I'm going to just find a slide to write on. Full numbers, oops. Full numbers are awesome. Okay, so if I were a student, I'm guessing I would go through your English slides and I would answer all the questions or do whatever you asked me to. Okay, and we all know Google Drive auto saves, so I don't need to worry about that. But what I'm going to do is go back here, and now I'm going to click submit. All right, now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to leave the student view. Okay, and now I'm back in the teacher view. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open it up in a new window. I now have to switch accounts back to my teacher account. And this is the fun part, is going back and forth. All right, and here I can see where I submitted. Okay, I'm in the teacher view, so if I click on this, and wait patiently for it to load. go down to that slide, and my work is here. So I can now give myself 100 because I'm awesome. Hit return. I guess that's returning it to the student. Oh wait, I forgot to give feedback. You are so amazing. All right, now I can hit return. I think I'm done, but let me check. I'm gonna go back home, go back uh, to my grades. All right, and okay, I'm not seeing a score. So let me pause. Okay, it's weird. So I made it up to this point. I just have trouble with the test students for these classes are not really fully functional. So let me open this again. So that's as far as I can take this because I don't know how to get the grades. Like, I don't know if this is a problem with the test student or if this would be with all the students, but I made it up as far as the grading, so I hope that helps you guys out and have a great weekend. Bye.